Hello folks, in this video, we'll show you how to set up backup codes for two-factor authentication. Backup codes, as the name suggests, are used as a backup and can only be enabled when a primary method is active. If the user forgets or is unable to use their primary method, they can use the backup codes to securely log in. We will first begin with how an admin can set up backup codes for the end users. A primary method must be enabled first, only then the backup codes can be enabled. Let's go to the backup card first. After enabling the toggle, please make sure that you have enabled 2FA for the required software and users. The admin has now successfully set up and configured the backup codes method for the end users. Now, let's take a look at how the inline registration process will appear for users. When the user logs in for the first time after the 2FA method has been configured, they will need to enter their username and password, which serves as the first factor of authentication. After that, when the user clicks on Login, they will be prompted with Let's Configure Second Factor button. Since Mobile Authenticator is the primary method, the user will first be prompted to scan the QR code to register for it. After scanning and entering the verification code, they will have to validate it, which will then take them to the backup method, which is the backup codes. Here, the user will need to download the backup codes, which can be used in the future to log in securely if they are unable to use the primary method. After this, the user needs to click Continue to complete the registration. Let's now see how the user flow looks once the inline registration is completed after their first login. Just like during the first login, the user is prompted again to enter their username and password as the first layer of authentication. After entering their username and password, the user clicks on Login. But in this case, we are assuming the user is unable to use the primary method. Maybe they lost their phone or don't have access to it, so they will click on Login with other methods. The user will then have to click on Backup Code, and then click on Next. The user will then be prompted with a box which asks for backup code. They will then have to copy the backup code, any one code they downloaded during registration, and paste it in the box. After clicking Validate, they can securely log in to their instance without any issues. And that's how the entire backup codes 2FA flow works in the miniOrange 2FA plugin.